Good morning, time 0700 hours. Place Sarchu. Today we are setting off for Leh. It would be a drive for about 9 hours. Will take us through 3 passes. Sarchu is a wonderful place where the temperature dips and it gets very cold in the night. So we had a wonderful time. We stayed in an army camp. It was very well organized for us. You can see tall mountains right behind me and a vast expanse of land. Looking forward to this drive as we go ahead. We'll connect with you as the day goes. Thank you. Good morning, 14th of September 2022. The time is quarter to 10, 9:45. We are at Nakila. Nakila is at 15,547 feet. It's a Shaurya Chakra RCC. It's an honor to be here. Great time. Taking a video. Good morning. We're flying the flag of India and the Foxtrot Squadron flag at Nakila at 15,547 feet. Pleasure to be here. The 5th pass on our circuit today. Thank you. Morning, folks. Time 10:30, 14 September 2022. We are at La Chungla. Height 16,616 feet. This is the second pass for today. One more to go. In all, this is pass number 6. Great experience. I was here 3 months ago and this was the only pass where I got down at. Again, to salute because this is a Shaurya Chakra pass. Hello friends, time 1130 hours. We are standing at the famous Shinkula Pass and we were told that on the left side of Shinkula Pass is Himachal, Lahaul, and on the right side of Shinkula Pass, which is right behind us, is the Zanskar, which is Ladakh. So we are standing at the intersecting point of Lahaul and with me is Defson the Explorer. Now Defson, most of you know, is the vlogger from Manipur and you know my connection with Manipur. I'm married there for last 28 years and one good thing which I have understood about Defson is his positivity and amazing, the last 4 days of the kind of companionship that we've had. Great. He's a fantastic guy. He's been piloting the Mahindra which is standing right between and he's a great driver, guys.
So what's up people, this is Defson the Explorer. I hope everyone is doing good. I'm also doing good and we're also doing good.
Fabulous. Catch up with you folks.
See you.
Hey guys, we are standing at Sing Sing Bar on our way to Baralachala, which is going to be the 4th pass that we will do in the High Pass Challenge. I'm very happy and honored that today with me is Desi vlogger Arjun. Arjun has been a part of this journey. He's very and he's a very sweet boy and very nice person. He has been helping me out in clicking some wonderful photographs. You must see his channel and he's from Darjeeling. Yeah, and he's absolutely nice and wonderful guy. And this video I'm recording very specially for my Honeywell colleague Sangeeta Ghale. And Sangeeta, you would be proud to see Arjun with me, I know. And Arjun, can you speak something in Gorkhali for Sangeeta?
हेलो नमस्ते दिदी, होप कि तपाईँ सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ होला. सो हाम्रो यहाँ अरुण सरले तपाईँको बारेमा भन्नुहुँदैछ, लाइक इन्ट्रोड्युस गराउनु हुँदै थियो. सो बेसिकली इट्स मी अर्जुन फ्रम दार्जिलिङ. म गर्चिङबाट हो. तपाईँ अब दार्जिलिङ सायद कुन चाहिँ पोइन्ट अफ टाउनबाट होला त्यो चाहिँ मलाई याद भएन, बट या बेस्ट विसेस.
So Arjun, with Sangeeta and my other Honeywell colleagues, we have a group called Buggies and I am going to put this video on Buggies and I am definitely sure that Buggies will see your videos and stay happy and he's an amazing person. Thank you Sangeeta.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Amazing. Thank you. So Ajay Prabhakar Harolikar, captain of Indian Navy, serving, one of the best golfers in the world. दैट आई नो, क्योंकि तू मेरा 4 वॉल पार्टनर है। ये देख मेरे को जिंग जिंग बार के अंदर कोल्हापुर के कितने अच्छे लोग मिले। ये लोग साइकिल पे इधर घूम रहे हैं। हाँ, वो साहब नागपुर के हैं क्योंकि वो संतरे, लेकिन वो आ गए कोल्हापुर में। और मैडम जो हैं वो तेरे को जानती हैं। मैडम हाउ डू यू नो?
मैं प्रतिभा की फ्रेंड हूँ जो आपकी सिस्टर इन लॉ है।
तो मैडम जो है प्रतिभा की फ्रेंड है जो तेरी सिस्टर है।
प्रतिभा एंड आप वेरी वेल।
हाँ, तो बेटा मान गया ना अरुण ज्योति का कांटेक्ट कहाँ कहाँ पर है। अब तू नमस्ते करना 4 वॉल पार्टनर को। और तेरे को याद है ना मेरे 4 होल इन 1 है, तेरा 1 है। थैंक यू मैडम, ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू। September 2022, time 2:45 p.m. We are at Tanglangla. Tanglangla Pass is here, as you can see, at an altitude of I got to read it. Come walk with me. (17,100) or 17,482 feet. Tanglangla, 17,482 feet. Date 14 September 2022. Time 2:45. Done and dusted. Thank you. Tanglangla at 17,482 feet is the 12th highest pass. And as you can see, for us today, this is the 3rd pass and the last pass. After this, we are heading towards Leh, 114 kilometers from here. Hopefully, we should reach Leh before the daylight finishes. Great. Feeling very happy about the performance of the vehicle. The Grey Fox has performed damn well. And here is, right behind me, the original pass. As you can see, these passes really need to be respected. They are not easy. You need to really take care of everything yourself, your machine, and there in the background is the Grey Fox, which has got me all through this journey safe and sound, giving you a little panoramic view. And see you from Leh before we end the day today. I am with my Itao, Devson, the explorer from Manipur, and people from Manipur. If you are watching this broadcast, of course you will. And when I come down to Moreh in 15 days time after finishing this, definitely, we will be reliving the memories.
Definitely.
Devson is standing at Tanglangla with me. What an honor. 17,482 feet.
Yeah, it's my honor.
And
sir. It's my
the
honor.
way he drives the Jeep, I'm proud of Manipur. Thank you.
Thank you.
So at the mighty Changla Pass, 17,633 feet. Today is 16th of September 2022. Time is 11:30 hours and flying the flag of India, 75 years, and the flag of the Foxtrot Squadron. Great to be here. Okay, 16 September 2022, time 12:05 hours, 17,586 feet, Changla, and we meet Pratyusha, who's been driving a scooty all the way up. She's from Bangalore. What a proud moment. So what do you do, Pratyusha?
Right now I'm not working anywhere.
Oh, very good. That's the best thing to do. And why are you driving a scooty?
It's been passion. Like we've been planning this trip for a long time, and finally we get to do it.
Fabulous. And who's he?
He's my dad.
Your dad is a brave man. Thank you for
So we
accompanying.
He's in that scooty and I'm in this one.
You are driving on that scooty and you're not wearing shoes?
No, actually those got wet.
Oh God. Fabulous. Really amazing spirit.
Amazing.
How are you
Thank
guys
you.
traveling? Where are you guys?
So I'm Commander Arun Jyoti, and the man who's recording the video is Colonel Ravi Rajan. We are both veterans, and we've been driving and clearing passes all across this sector. Today we are heading towards Pass.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you. Now you can do whatever video you want to record, please.
Thank you so.
Then we will speak something.
Rolling.
All right, so we are now standing with the scooty of Pratyusha. What a great feeling to see this fighter girl at this height and driving this scooty. I have one same scooty at home, and I know how difficult it would have been to come up in all these heights, how the engine would have struggled, and how you would have controlled it, and how you would have braved the climb that you see. Amazing effort, Pratyusha. God bless you.
Thank you,
And
so
I'm
much.
sure that you're going to meet all the targets that you're planning, and hopefully will look at your YouTube channel and become a subscriber also. Amazing feeling to meet you here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Whatever else you do in life, keep the flag flying.
Yep, that's it.
Here we go. Pengdupiwala here. We've crossed Changla. It's been my pleasure, my honor to put this here and to show that Pengdupiwala was here. Kilroy was here. Well done.
Tangste, 29 kilometers. 16th September 2022, time 2 p.m. We are 19 kilometers short of place called Tangste. Tangste is actually a very historic destination. If you Google about it, this was the place, this was a very, very small habitation of about 50 to 60 families who used to support the traders who would start from Leh on their way to Yarkand. If you have a close look at the mountains which you see right behind me, and there's a new Gonpa coming up, you can see that the extremities of the land of Ladakh are clearly visible. Now just imagine that those many years ago, when there were no good roads or there were no proper connectivity, how valiant those traders would have been who were taking these arduous routes, traversing and carrying out their trades. Tangste is also a battlefield, an old battlefield where the Dogra forces and the Ladakhi forces actually played their games of war. We're really looking forward to reaching Tangste soon, and we'll catch up with you from there.